Ubla Lotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best. Cooperate with each other. Treat everyone with respect, including ourselves.
In our circles today, we're going to discuss the impacts we can find in this picture. As you get in your circles and you begin to discuss some of the impacts you can find in this picture, here are some questions you may ask yourselves. What do you see in this picture? What is happening? Who is being impacted? Is the community being impacted? Are kids being impacted? Are elders being impacted? Does this picture bring any memories? This week, we have two big extracurricular events going on. NYO regionals will be at Gamble from April 6th to the 9th, so this Thursday through Sunday, and we have the first middle school basketball tournament we'll be participating in this week at Teller from April 7th to 9th. Next week, there'll be additional basketball tournaments for both our little dribblers and our middle school team in Shishmaref. Everyone, have a terrific Tuesday.